Hi! In this video, we will quickly overview BioGuard Arctic Blue Algae Protector. What is BioGuard Arctic Blue Algae Protector? BioGuard Winter Arctic Blue Algae Protector prevents the growth of all types of pool algae and aids in maintaining pool water clarity during the winter when the pool is not in use. Arctic Blue Algae Protector is formulated for use in chlorinated or brominated sanitized swimming pools of all surface and filter types. Product benefits: prevents algae growth during the winter months. Non-staining pool algicide. No mixing or pre-dissolving is needed. Formulated for use in chlorinated or brominated swimming pools of all surfaces and filter types. Be sure to check the instructions and the dosing chart before using. Thank you. I hope that information helps. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more relevant tips about your pool and spa. Bye.